where the heart feels light and the days feel right, surrounded by warmth and light. Memories echo, drawing me near. Every corner whispers a tale. In this place I have no fear. Home, sweet home, where love resides. Every moment a joy, where my heart abides. Together we laugh, together we dream. In this sanctuary, life's a beautiful theme. The door swings wide, a welcome embrace. Familiar faces, every smile a trace. From morning coffee to moonlit night, in this cozy haven, everything ignites. Step by step, we build our nest. Through storms and sunshine, we are blessed. With open arms, the world feels right. Home is our beacon, our guiding light. Interlude, echoes of laughter fill the air. In this sweet retreat, nothing can compare. Home, sweet home, where love resides. Every moment a joy, where my heart abides.